Yeah.
Hi, I'm Whitney,
I'm Brooke.
and today we are talking about
Fast curing concrete.
fast setting concrete.
Fast setting concrete.
Also,
Let's
I
start
guess
over.
fast curing.
Okay,
That's
yeah.
fine. Both of them.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
High earlies, like ultra super Superman, Wonder Woman high earlies, like crazy fast.
Yeah.
So we've been working on a project lately.
Yep. And it sets so quick that we have a hard time getting it in the molds. On some of the mixes,
Right.
it is, and we're kind of gauging that obviously by the look of it, but then the temperature also.
Right.
It shoots up, and we are,
Yeah. Scrambling. And the funny thing is, and that's what our client wants. And sometimes that's, depending on what it is, that's the sort of thing that you need. But we found this window when we were doing the mixes, right?
Yeah.
There was this like perfect, like 3-second
Three-
window,
yes.
literally, where you could tell it was
It's-
properly mixed.
Yep.
Because that's the other problem. You have to make sure that you've mixed enough.
Right.
Or else you got a bunch of crap on the bottom.
Yeah, and when you're combining these admixtures and
Right.
different material that is intended to, to set it off very quickly,
Right.
like even the mixing process is,
Right.
yes, is very, it's just delicate. I mean,
It is.
like you said, it's a short window from perfect to
Holy crap. We have to
It's
get them
moving,
in the
yeah.
molds right now.
yeah.
So
So that's been fun.
it has been fun. Definitely something. I mean, we've done plenty of high earlies, but this was like a really
Yeah.
aggressive,
Sure.
extreme.
Sure.
And then, but with that, so it's awesome to be able to get your strengths and all of that early. But what are some of the problems you can run into?
Yeah.
If
So
you're doing that.
when that kind of mix, when you're going for that, there's trade-offs on the back end. The shape, it can shrink, crack, warp. Yeah. There's what else is some of them that scaling.
Scaling, you can certainly have those issues, but it's just when you're getting those strengths in such a short window, say, sometimes within hours or less, a lot of times you're kind of trading that for durability issues potentially in the long term. So it's finding that balance
Yeah.
with what the end user needs, setting up quickly and just quickly enough, but adding other materials, other admixtures, other things like that to try to make sure that you're
Regulate
holding
it.
on to
Mhm.
that durability in the long run.
Yeah.
Because it's great to get something that sets up quickly, but if you start with the square and then you wind up with the triangle,
Yeah. It's like
Because
fast
of-
food.
right?
It's like you want it real quick.
Right.
It does the trick, but then it's not the end result. It's
Right,
not, it's
right.
not the best.
Whereas if you go to a nice sit down and you wait for a steak or a
Sure.
burger even
Sure.
for 15 or 20 minutes, it's a lot better
It's
burger.
usually more,
It's
higher
not
quality.
this,
Sure.
limp piece of meat that's been sitting for
Who knows?
3 hours.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
sorry, that's
Yeah, a
maybe
little
cut
bit.
that. Anyways, so thank you so much for joining. If you have any questions, comments, throw it down below. Like, subscribe, ding that bell for notifications.
You got it.
Go Concrete.
Beat asphalt.